Alarm rings. Oh my gosh. Okay. Here we go. Good morning, babes. It's Ava here, and today I'm taking you through my morning routine. You know, the little things I do to make sure I'm ready to slay the day. Slay, by the way, just means doing something really well or looking amazing. So, let's get into it. 1. Waking up. The struggle is real, but worth it. So my alarm goes off, beep, 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 and I'll be real with you. I hit snooze like twice. Snooze is when you delay the alarm for a few minutes to get a little extra sleep. I can't help it. But eventually I'm like, all right, Avad, let's do this, and I roll out of bed. I try to avoid looking at my phone first thing. That can wait. I need a moment to breathe before diving into the digital world. 2. Stretching it out. Good vibes only. Next, I stretch, arms up, touch my toes, twist side to side. Stretching helps loosen up your muscles. Basically, it makes your body less stiff and more relaxed. It's like saying, hey girl, you're awake now? Let's get it. I mean, who doesn't love a good stretch? It's the perfect wake-up call for your body. 3. Making my bed. I can't help it. It feels good now I make my bed. Make my bed doesn't mean building a bed, of course. It just means straightening the sheets and pillows so everything looks neat. A clean bed makes me feel like I've already accomplished something, even if it's small. 4. Brushing my teeth. Let's get fresh. Next, it's teeth brushing time. No one wants to deal with morning breath. I brush my teeth for at least 2 minutes. Pro tip, don't forget to brush your tongue. It keeps your breath fresh and your mouth clean. 5. Splashing my face. Wake up, girl. I splash cold water on my face to wake up. Splash just means to throw water quickly. It's like an instant energy boost. After that, I use a gentle face cleanser to wash away any leftover makeup or dirt from the night before. 6. Skincare. Don't forget the glow. Skincare is a must. First, I put on moisturizer. It's like a cream that hydrates your skin so it doesn't feel dry. Then I add sunscreen. Sunscreen protects your skin from the sun's UV rays, which can cause wrinkles or dark spots. Even if you're indoors, it's good to use it. 7. Getting dressed. What's the vibe today? Then it's time to choose an outfit. Outfit means the clothes you're wearing for the day. Today, I'm feeling cozy, so I'm going with a soft sweater and some jeans. It's comfy but cute. Perfect for a chill day. 8. Breakfast. Smoothie time. Breakfast is my favorite part. I make a smoothie, a blended drink made from fruits, yogurt, and sometimes milk or juice. Today's smoothie has berries, banana, yogurt, and honey. Honey is a natural sweetener, and it's so yummy. 9. Hydration. Water. I always drink water in the morning. Hydration just means keeping your body full of water so you don't feel tired or dry. I drink at least 1 big glass before starting my day. It's like fuel for my body. 10. Makeup. A little touch of magic. Next, I do my makeup. Makeup's like a fun way to enhance your natural beauty. I start with foundation. It's like a cream that makes your skin look smooth. Then I add mascara for my lashes to make my eyes pop. Finally, some lip gloss for a shiny finish. 11. Packing my bag. Gotta be prepared. I grab my bag and make sure I have all the essentials. Essentials just mean the things you can't leave the house without, like your phone, keys, and wallet. I also throw in a notebook because you never know when you'll need to jot something down. 12. Checking the weather. Gotta stay ready. I always check the weather before leaving. Weather just means if it's sunny, rainy, cold, or hot outside. It helps me decide if I need a jacket or an umbrella. 13. Setting goals. Let's get focused. Before I head out, I think about what I want to get done today. Setting goals means deciding on tasks you want to complete. It could be finishing a project, calling a friend, or just having a positive mindset. 14. Listening to a podcast. Learning on the go. As I'm heading out, I put on a podcast. A podcast is like a mini radio show you can listen to on your phone. I love learning new things while I'm on the go. It makes me feel productive and inspired. 15. Review the day. Let's go. Finally, I do a quick review of my schedule. Schedule means the list of things I have planned for the day. It helps me stay organized and ready to tackle whatever comes my way. All right, babes, that's my morning routine. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comments what you like to do as soon as you wake up. I'm always looking for new ideas to switch up my routine. Maybe you have a killer breakfast recipe or a stretching routine that really gets you energized. Share it with me. I love learning from you guys. Anyway, I'm about to head out and start my day. Catch you later, babes. Mwah.